obumu ku butambi obwa General Elly Tumwine.
Sisi tuko tayari adui akija. You have seen people who have retired, and I have said this to the press the other day. They were asking me for God to bless me by giving me life through so many challenges, which I may explain a bit, and give me this day of saying, when they officially, you see, there is when you just disappear, or sometimes you die, or sometimes, but when you are still alive, and the institution which you serve and the country which you serve officially says, oh, we want to say goodbye to you for the good job done. What a joy to have lived all these years doing what I love and loving what I do, which makes me do my best. Are you going to keep the values that made UPDF and NRAB who it?
And the situation.
And continued to fight Idi Amin when Idi Amin captured power, and went into exile and organized it, and eventually started from NASA, which participated in the removal of the Idi Amin regime. And that's where we started, that's where we joined, and it helped us to understand from NASA helped NRA and UPDF now the building of a new armed force, of a new army, because in the past, right from the traditional kingdom armies that were here, up to the Uganda, up to the East African Rifles, Uganda Rifles, Uganda Army, UNLA. Yesu oyo musai saigunaziza nebaza oyo murokozi burizaba birekero kushemererwamu ate nizaba rungi kushemerwa umwami wa kisheija n'umukazi wawe neka yawe bakwebaitu hata no mporo na tukumporo no manye biragiro numbikwatijaga nambira ko kubhenda numwenda ngumbyanguse konka
oza kimala nebwe tukomawo General Elly Tumwine emyaka nkaga munana tagisuse amawulire agavoyo galaga nti kituufu agenze newankubadde nga wiiki wedde amawulire gasooka kuyitinga